Operations on sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set which contains all the elements of both sets, that is set A and set B. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set which contains all the elements which are common to both sets, that is set A and set B. If set A and set B both have some common elements, they are called overlapping sets. If A and B have no common elements, that is A intersection B equal to phi, they are called disjoint sets. Difference of two sets A and B in this order is the set of all elements which belong to set A but do not belong to set B. The complement of a set A is the set of elements which are present in the universal set but are not present in A. Distributive laws. A union whole bracket B intersection C equal to A union B bracket intersection bracket A union C. A intersection bracket B union C equal to bracket A intersection B union bracket A intersection C. De Morgan's laws. A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. If A and B are finite sets, then n A union B equal to na plus nb minus n A intersection B. If A intersection B equal to phi, then n A intersection B equal to 0. So n A union B equal to na plus nb. The geometrical diagrams which represent the sets and their relationships are called Venn diagrams. In Venn diagrams, universal set U is represented by a rectangle and the subsets are represented by circles, ovals, etc. The elements or members of the sets are represented by points or numbers written inside the circle. If two sets are disjoint, they are represented by two separate closed figures. If two sets are overlapping, they are represented by two intersecting closed figures, where the common elements are written in the part that is common to both the figures. If A and B are finite sets, then na minus b equal to n A union B minus nb equal to na minus n A intersection B equal to n A only. N b minus A equal to n A union B minus n A equal to nb minus n bracket A intersection B equal to n B only. N A union B equal to n bracket A minus B plus n bracket B minus A plus n bracket A intersection B. If U is finite and A is the subset, then Na plus Na dash equal to Nu. Venn diagrams and cardinal number relations are used to solve many logical problems. Thank you so much. All counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, dotted, etc. are natural numbers. The natural numbers along with 0 form the set of whole numbers W. Integers are directed numbers lying on the both sides of 0 on the number line. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Rational numbers include fractions and integers. Rational numbers can be either positive or negative. Rational numbers in the standard form have a positive denominator and no factor common between the numerator and denominator except 1. Between two rational numbers on the number line, we can find infinite rational numbers. All numbers which cannot be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, form the set of irrational numbers. All non-terminating, non-recurring decimal numbers are irrational numbers. If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, then the two numbers are the rationalizing factor of each other. Irrational numbers like 3 root 2, 7 root 5, root 2 and root 5 etc. are called radicals. Irrational numbers with the same radicals are like irrational numbers and only these can be added or subtracted. Any two irrational numbers can be multiplied or divided. All rational and irrational numbers are real numbers. The relation between various number system can be represented as natural number n, subset whole number w, subset integer z, subset rational number q, subset real number set r. Every real number corresponds to a point on the number line. Thank you very